All right, here we got a 1995, 893 corn heads. Hey, the poly's a little bit faded, which is very common for this year. But I think if you look here, you'll see the poly is good and not wore out. It's not beat up, it's not cracked up, it's not broke up. And I don't see any of that going on with this head that I can tell. It does have regular stock rolls on it. The deck plates look good. It's just got manual deck plates. As you can see, it has not been cleaned up. This is just the way this head come in, and that's the way you're going to end up buying it. The sprockets are just spare. Chains, they're nothing great, okay? But the rolls do look decent, and the deck plates look good. We'll go around and assess the auger. These are, of course, oil bath heads. Does have the light kit. This is for your older combines, so this will fit your sprocket type combines. Now you can change that to shaft, but this is nice because this head you can put right on an older combine and upgrade your head pretty quick. The auger looks good. It's just, like I say, it's dirty. It come in on the lot, sitting by these trees. But I think this is a good head, and it's a head that it's not going to win a beauty contest as far as the color of the paint, but it's a very structurally a very good head, close as I can tell. It come out of a retiring farm.